Mabuhay! Ako po si JL.
It's your boy Nate.
I'm Jello.
Yo, I'm Mickey.
And I am Akira.
Be the Light, BGYO. And we are your Mixed Spotlight artists for April.
One, two, three, go!
Ay! Or...
All. But, nagsimula kami dito as trainees. Pinaka-hinangaan namin si Akira and JL.
Yes, when they entered, they were already good.
Yeah. Pero ngayon, singer na lahat. Marunong na mag-grips and runs and belt.
Vocal agility.
1, 2, 3, go!
When we the answer is when we joined me and Kuya Jello, I think we were the dancers so far, but I know they all have danced by themselves at least.
Yes.
And then eventually we all worked on dancing together. We taught each other, and now we can all dance with synchronization
And with heart. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes.
Yung tatlo po.
Same with us. Kumbaga kung si JL Aki singing, kami ni Nate dancing. Siya naman nag-start siya talaga siya as rapper. And nagsusulat siya ng mga kanta before pala siya sumali dito.
when we were in boot camp, I was also stalking, like looking for what the new member was. Then I think I found his digital music app song, and then I started playing it.
The
And it's
orange
good.
one.
Yeah, it's good.
Pinakinggan po namin.
Yeah, he can make his own music. He's really good.
Actually po, I was just starting to try mag-rap po and gumawa po ng songs. Siguro po, nag-start po lang po talaga ako nun before I joined Starent Academy and BGYO. So, hindi rin po ako super galing po. Share ko lang.
Humble.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
All.
I think we have to be nice to each other or else we can't train. Yeah, if we get annoyed or mad po, then we will be nice and fix the problem.
Yeah, like sa lahat ng mga problems dito sa loob ng house and training area, like ang pinaka-solution lang dun is maging mabait.
Ay, wala
Feeling ko. Feeling ko.
Wala po.
Creative boy. Feeling ko.
Bawal po maging pasaway kasi...
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! I think everyone.
Pero hindi naman po yung pasaway na pasaway. Kumbaga,
Kulit, kakulitan, gano'n. May kanya-kanya po kaming level ng kakulitan po eh. And meron din po kaming level ng kakulitan na sa group. Parang level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hanggang 10 po.
And
lagot tayo mamaya kay Ate Jo.
iba't ibang klaseng kulit.
Mabait pasaway.
I think I know that.
3, 2, 1, go!
Dala.
We all... we
Matao
love
po.
food.
Pero, ang top 1 po, ang top 2.
Tie.
Tayo.
It's a tie between Kuya Aki, Kuya Jello.
Hey!
If there's merienda or food that we don't want, sino ayaw? Me.
Away lang yun. Sino ayaw na merienda?
Pero kadalasan po kasi kami ni Jello kasi nasa bunk bed po kami. Kami po ni Jello nasa taas. So nagkakakitaan po kami. Pag nagkakatinginan po kami siguro, di ba midnights na po siguro yun. Nagsisitsitan kami. Jello, gutom ka? Gutom ako, baba tayo.
Siguro kapag gutom ako tuwing gabi, midnight, ganun, or tuwing weekend, yung pinakaunang mapapansin ko tsaka tatawagin na si Aki kasi lagi kami nagkikitaan.
Pati si JL po.
Hindi tulog na ako nun.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
All, but in any moment, the laughter can come out of Kuya Jello po.
Yung laging, kahit tawa lang matatawa ka. Or kahit di tumatawa, matatawa ka.
Because Kuya Jello laughs and I'm like, Kuya Jello, why are you laughing?
Parang kanina lang sa training, di namin alam kung ba't kami tumatawa ni Jello.
Uy, alam naman natin. And then he says, I remember jumping.
Yeah, but lahat kami, I think we're funny in our own ways.
Si,
Ay,
si Mickey.
wala.
At
Pag
3, 2, 1.
Pag tulog po, tahimik mo.
3, 2, 1, go! I think for me po in the beginning, I think Mickey was so quiet, right? When he when he joined, so quiet. But now we all have our moments, right? When we're quiet.
Ako po yung
bigla na lang bumabanat si Mickey ng jokes.
Because I think lahat kami, gusto talaga namin magka-time na kami lang mag-isa, ganon. And I think si Mickey yung parang pinakamahihain kasi lahat kami matagal na magkakasama nung time na pumasok siya. So, syempre nag-a-adjust siya nung time.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, go!
Wow. Wow.
I think me, cause lahat naman kami may times na nagiging kuya kami sa isa't isa. Like si Nate, kahit siya yung pinakabunso, may times na
Kuya Nate.
nagiging kuya siya sa amin.
Sa
Parang
dance.
same with the others, ganun. And feeling ko ako kasi naintindihan ko sila lahat and parang nagugulo ko yung team together.
And Kuya Jello really is my kuya.
Yes.
Literal.
We have the same parents.
Kapatid mo siya?
Mama Christine, hello po. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm the youngest po, but we all act like we're kids sometimes. So we can have fun.
Sa tamang moments naman.
Opo.
And siguro kasi malayo kami sa pamilya namin and ito lang yung kasama namin araw-araw. So, lahat na talaga ng pagiging kuya, pagiging bunso, pagiging tatay, ganyan.
Pagiging
Ano
ate.
nagagawa na namin dito.
We hope we'll be doing this for a long time. We want to keep our feeling of childhood and
Yes.
Yes.
Our youth is ours. Our youth is ours.